It's time for match number 25. It's a Southern Derby. It's Chennai taking on Bangalore in Dubai. And to make sure your fantasy team performs better than both Chennai and Bangalore, I am joined by Ajit Agarkar on my 11th Circle Fantasy Pick on ESPN Cricket Form. As always, up first, a pro tip. Even though Chennai are struggling a little bit, it makes sense to pick more players from their team, given they have beaten Bengaluru thrice in the last 4 meetings. Ajit, is head-to-head a good metric to look at while picking a fantasy team, or would you rather go with current form, where both teams haven't quite set the stage on fire?
Yeah, current form. You saw CSK's record against KKR in the previous game and the way they played. So you want to look at current form, who the players that are performing or look in decent form. T20 can be sometimes a little bit more difficult to have consistency, but you've got to look at form, current form, absolutely, than looking in the history.
Right, all players available for selection, so no worries there. Just a quick reminder of the rules. Every user on my 11th Circle has 100 credits available to form the team. Each player has been assigned individual credit values, and users have to pick players from 4 categories: batsmen, all-rounders, wicket-keepers and bowlers, with a maximum of 7 players from one particular team allowed. Ambati Rayudu is going to be our captain now. He's had 2 starts in 3 games so far in the tournament. He went on to make a significant score on one occasion, but threw away his wicket in the other. Against Bangalore, though, Rayudu has scored 171 runs in 4 innings at an average of just under 43. So that's not a bad number. Yuzvendra Chahal will be our vice-captain. Remember, the wickets are showing signs of slowing down in the UAE, and this will be a used pitch. Chennai have gone at 7.77 versus spin in the tournament so far, suggesting that Chahal could really tighten the screws on the Chennai lineup. Since 2018, he's picked up 4 wickets against Chennai at an economy of under 6. So Ambati Rayudu, the captain. Yuzvendra Chahal will be our vice-captain. Among our other top picks, Faf du Plessis. He scored 299 runs in 6 games in the tournament so far. He has by far looked the most reassuring batsman for Chennai. He's also scored at a strike rate of 151. And a boundary percentage of 55. So du Plessis can win you points with the bat as well as with his superb catching ability. So he is a must-have on your lineup. Aaron Finch is the other top pick. He scored at a strike rate of 149 in the power play since 2018 in all T20s. Although he hasn't been firing as expected this season so far, this could be the game for him. AB de Villiers is the 5th top pick for us. De Villiers has failed only once in 5 innings this season. He scored 155 runs at a terrific strike rate of 176, including a couple of 50s as well in the tournament. Remember, both his 50s came at this venue, and we back him to deliver yet again. So among our top picks, Rayudu, Yuzvendra Chahal, Faf du Plessis, Aaron Finch and AB de Villiers. Ajit, you okay with our choice for captain, vice-captain? You comfortable with Finch as a top pick as well?
Well, I mean, I understand that he's got runs previously, Rayudu. But that's a brave pick to be captain. I think there are some other explosive players in both teams. Really, I mean, you look at someone like a Finch. You look at Virat Kohli doesn't feature in the top 5. Shane Watson for me, and if it's a used pitch, you always want to think that Ravindra Jadeja might have a role to play, whether it's with the bat and ball. So there are some great options, but I understand why you've gone with Rayudu because of his record against Chennai, and he's looked in decent form through the course of this tournament as well. And Chahal just is Bangalore's main strike bowler at this point, so understandable.
Right, we shall unravel our recommended 11, but before that, let's give you who our differential picks are. Shardul Thakur. Now, since he was brought into the team, he's been the best bowler for Chennai. He's picked up 5 wickets in 3 games he's played so far at an economy of just under 8.5. Expect Shardul to win you points with wickets. Sam Curran is the 2nd differential player, ideal multi-utility player in this format. If he doesn't give you points with the ball, he will deliver with the bat. He's very agile in the field as well and does not miss catches that come his way. So we believe he's a must-have in your 11. Shardul Thakur and Sam Curran, the 2 differential picks. Now, let's take a look at our recommended 11. 2 wicket keepers. MS Dhoni, AB de Villiers. 4 batsmen in Aaron Finch, Devdutt Padikkal, Faf du Plessis, Rayudu the captain, Sam Curran the only all-rounder. And we've got 4 bowlers in Shardul Thakur, Yuzvendra Chahal. Chris Morris, surprisingly, finds a spot in our 11, and Deepak Chahar. But a couple of names that you mentioned, Ravindra Jadeja, Shane Watson, Virat Kohli in the substitutes, and Moeen Ali is there as well. Firstly, a safe assumption to make that Chris Morris will play this game and Virat in the subs. Your thoughts?
Yeah, strange to see Virat in the subs in any team, really. Even if it's a fantasy team, he's certainly hit back form. Had that one really good innings, and had a good innings in the previous game against Delhi Capitals. Was sort of left on his own a little bit. So you'd certainly think because we've seen what a driven cricketer he is. So you'd certainly want to consider that. Shane Watson again for me is on if he hangs around for the first 2 or 3 overs, doesn't get out. We know what an explosive player he can be. And Morris has got to play if he's fit. If he's, not only just does he provide more teeth with the ball, but is a very, very more than a handy all-rounder. So that'll certainly benefit RCB. So I'm glad that he's in the 11 because he can do damage with both bat and ball.
Yes, we do have an alternate scenario for Chris Morris. Clearly looks like Bangalore will certainly look to play Morris instead of either Moeen Ali or Isuru Udana. In case he's not picked for this game as well, you can pick Navdeep Saini. So you've got your options. You saw 11. You heard from Ajit. Think about whether you want Virat in the subs or in the 11. Make sure you keep your emotions at bay. This game is not about emotions. So think well, think hard, and get your teams ready and win lots and lots of points and then prizes. For now, thanks so much, Ajit, for joining us on My 11 Circle Fantasy Pick on ESPN Cricket.